Welcome to this quick guide on how to compare the number of end-to-end encryptions on WhatsApp Web on PC after the latest update. If you want to make sure your chats stay private across devices, this little check will help you confirm that encryption is in place on both ends. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer and sign in if you haven't already. Your chats will appear in a familiar list on the left with your contact threads ready for inspection. Pick any chat you'd like to verify. This step is simple, but crucial to ensure you're comparing the right conversation across devices. Next, click on the chat to open the conversation window. You'll see messages flowing in real time, just like on your phone. This is the moment to access the security details for this specific chat. From the three dots at the top of the chat window, select Contact Info. This opens a panel with important security information that governs this particular chat. Scroll down within the Contact Info screen until you reach Encryption. Here you'll find the long sequence of characters that represents the end-to-end encryption for this chat. This code is unique to the conversation and your devices. Take note of the code, or simply compare the two codes side by side in your mind as you proceed to the next step. Now, switch to your other device where WhatsApp is also active, such as your phone. Open the corresponding chat and navigate to the same encryption section in Contact Info. On the phone, you'll see the same kind of code displayed for the same chat. The key idea is to compare the two codes directly. Every character should match exactly, ensuring that the end-to-end encryption is consistent across both devices. If the codes match perfectly, you've confirmed that the chat is protected with end-to-end encryption on both ends. If there's any discrepancy, double check that you opened the exact same chat on both devices and consider reloading WhatsApp Web or the app on the phone, then recheck the encryption codes. In rare cases, a mismatch could indicate a connection hiccup or a sync issue that's worth addressing to maintain secure communication. That's all there is to it. A quick, precise check lets you verify encryption integrity without leaving the app. Keeping this habit in place helps you stay confident that your conversations remain private across devices.